Hey guys, today we are going to discuss black hole. Black hole is a dense that gravity just beneath its surface nothing can pass. Even light cannot escape from a black hole. So NASA created some sound. First let's hear that sound. 2003, astronomers discovered that pressure waves sent out to black hole cause cluster ripples that be translated into a note. Viral audio, to be clear, is not a recording of a real black hole. It has been produced by sonifying data taken from NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory, another space telescope. The audio produced was originally 57 octaves below middle C, which means the frequency had to be raised quadrillions of times that human cannot hear it.